The BYOOTIQUE Pink Rolling Manicure Table is a versatile beauty station that combines both style and function, making it perfect for manicurists and makeup artists on the go. Its foldable design allows for easy transformation from a spacious workstation to a compact trolley, complete with a telescopic handle and detachable wheels for effortless mobility. This manicure table comes equipped with ample storage options, including a bottom compartment with 4 drawers and an upper compartment with a removable divider, ensuring all your beauty tools are organized. Constructed with a sturdy aluminum frame and metal-wrapped corners, it offers durability and security, featuring lockable latches and password access to safeguard your items. For added convenience, the table includes elastic straps under the lid to hold brushes and other essentials, as well as a built-in mirror for quick makeup checks. The light pink color adds a charming touch, creating a dreamy and professional atmosphere suitable for salons, flea markets, or any beauty setup.